Zoom Workplace Audio set recording a ChatGPT window. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT is still generating a response. ChatGPT says, "Hello Norman, and hello everyone listening along. I am ChatGPT, and today I will be your live host for Norman, the blind guy with a vision, MCQ trivia. We are diving into 25 multiple choice questions, one at a time. Each question has 4 options, number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. This is all about learning, having fun, and seeing if you can keep up with or even beat Norman. Take a breath, get comfortable, and let us get started. Question number 1. Which planet is known as the red planet? Number 1. Venus. Number 2. Mars. Number 3. Jupiter. Number 4. Mercury. Take a moment and think it through. Audience, lock in your guess. Zoom Workplace recording alert, you are. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT is still generating a response. ChatGPT says, "Nice one, Norman. You chose number 2, and that is correct. Mars is called the red planet because its surface is rich in iron oxide, basically rust, which gives it that reddish appearance. Fun fact, ancient civilizations could see Mars with the naked eye, and its red color made them associate it with war. Score so far, 1 out of 1. Strong start. Audience, check in. Did you get that one right, or did Mars sneak up on you? Now let us keep the momentum going. Question number 2. What is the largest organ in the human body? Number 1. The liver. Number 2. The brain. Number 3. The skin. Number 4. The heart. Take a few seconds to think about it. Audience, make your guess. Norman, what? Zoom Workplace recording. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, "You locked in number 3, and that is correct again. Nicely done. The skin is the largest organ in the human body. It protects us from infection, helps regulate body temperature, and even lets us feel touch, pain, and heat. Fun fact, an adult's skin can weigh around 8 to 10 pounds. That puts you at 2 out of 2. You are on a roll. Audience, how are you doing so far? Perfect score or a small stumble? Let us move right along. Question number 3. Which gas do plants absorb from the air during photosynthesis? Number 1. Oxygen. Number 2. Nitrogen. Number 3. Carbon dioxide. Number 4. Hydrogen. Take a moment. Think it through. Norman, what is your answer? ChatGPT is Zoom Workplace recording alert, you are muted. Recording will not include audio window. ChatGPT says, number 3 is your answer, and once again, you are absolutely right. Plants absorb carbon dioxide from the air during photosynthesis and use sunlight to turn it into energy, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. Fun fact, this process is one of the main reasons life on Earth can exist as it does today. That makes your score 3 out of 3. Clean sweep so far. Audience, are you keeping pace with Norman, or is he pulling ahead? Let us keep things moving. Question number 4. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? Number 1. Buzz Aldrin. Number 2. Yuri Gagarin. Number 3. Neil Armstrong. Number 4. Michael Collins. Take a moment to think about it. Norman, what is your answer? ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, Zoom Workplace recording alert, you are muted. Recording will not include audio window. Screen audio setting. ChatGPT, you went with number 3, and that is correct. Neil Armstrong became the first person to walk on the moon in 1969 during the Apollo 11 mission. Fun fact, his famous line, "One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," is still quoted all over the world today. Your score is now 4 out of 4. You are absolutely cruising. Audience check. Let us roll right into the next one. Question number 5. What part of the cell is often called the powerhouse of the cell? Number 1. Number 2. Number 1. Nucleus. Number 2. Ribosome. Number 3. Mitochondria. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, I heard number 3, and that is the correct answer. The mitochondria are called the powerhouse of the cell because they produce energy that the cell needs to function. Fun fact, mitochondria have their own DNA, separate from the rest of the cell, which is pretty wild when you think about it. That brings you to 5 out of 5. Perfect score so far. Quick checkpoint for everyone listening. We are 5 questions in. How is your score stacking up compared to Norman? Let us keep the energy going. Question number 6. Which ocean is the largest on Earth? Number 1. Atlantic Ocean. Number 2. Indian Ocean. Number 3. Arctic Ocean. Number 4. Pacific Ocean. Take a moment to think it through. Norman, what is your answer? Zoom Workplace. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT is still generating a response. ChatGPT says, number 4, the Pacific Ocean, is correct. Well done. The Pacific Ocean is the largest on Earth, covering more than 63 million square miles. Fun fact, it is so big that it is larger than all of the Earth's land combined. Your score is now 6 out of 6. You are on fire, Norman. Audience, are you keeping up, or is Norman leaving you in the waves? Question number 7. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Number 1. AG. Number 2. O. Number 3. GD. Number 4. Go take a few seconds to think it through. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT is still generating a response. ChatGPT says, number Zoom Workplace Recording Alert you. ChatGPT, Trivia MCQ with Norman window. ChatGPT said, heading left. Number 2, O, is correct. Spot on, Norman. O comes from the Latin word aurum, which means shining dawn, and that's where gold gets its chemical symbol. Fun fact, gold is so non-reactive that it doesn't tarnish, which is why it has been prized for thousands of years. Your score is now 7 out of 7. Audience, are you still matching Norman question for question? Question number 8. Which planet has the most moons in our solar system? Number 1. Earth. Number 2. Saturn. Number 3. Jupiter. Number 4. Mars. Take a moment to think it through. Norman, what is your answer? Toggle button not pressed. Clickable section 3. Zoom Workplace Recording Alert you are muted. Recording will not include audio window. ChatGPT is still generating a response. ChatGPT says, number 3, Jupiter, is correct. Great job, Norman. Jupiter has 95 confirmed moons as of now, making it the planet with the most moons in our solar system. Fun fact, its largest moon, Ganymede, is even bigger than the planet Mercury. Your score is now 8 out of 8. You are unstoppable so far. Audience, are you still keeping pace with Norman's streak? Question number 9. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Number 1. Diamond. Number 2. Gold. Number 3. Quartz. Number 4. Iron. Take a moment to think. Norman, what is your answer? ChatGPT is generating a response. Zoom Workplace Audio settings drop. ChatGPT. ChatGPT said, number 1, diamond. Heading level 6. ChatGPT said, number 1, diamond, is correct. Excellent, Norman. Diamonds are the hardest natural. Rate 46. Number 1, diamond, is correct. Excellent, Norman. Diamonds are the hardest natural substance on Earth, which is why they are used not only in jewelry, but also in cutting and drilling tools. Graphite, but their atoms are arranged differently, giving them incredible hardness. Your score is now 9 out of 9. Audience, how are you doing? Keeping up or feeling the pressure? Question number 10. Which blood cells help fight infections in the body? Number 1. Red blood cells. Zoom. Screen sharing meeting control. Zoom work recording. ChatGPT. Chat. Which bloods? Number 1. Number 2. White blood cells. Number 3. Platelets. Number 4. Plasma. Take a few seconds to think it through. Norman, what is your toggle button? Not Norman, what is your clickable sec? ChatGPT but grab your audio question. Which blood? Number 1. Red blood cell. Number 2. White blood cells. Number 3. Platelets. Number 4. Plasma. Clickable 2. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT is still generating a response. Resume workplace recording. Screen Zoom work recording. ChatGPT. ChatGPT said, heading level 6. Heading level 6. ChatGPT said, number 2, white blood cells, is correct. Well done, Norman. White blood cells are the defenders of the body. They identify and destroy bacteria, viruses, and other invaders to keep you healthy. Fun fact, there are several types of white blood cells, each with a different role in protecting the body. Your score is now 10 out of 10. Halfway through with a perfect streak. Audience, are you still matching Norman's flawless run, or has he pulled ahead? Question number 11. What is the main gas found in the air we breathe? Number 1. Oxygen. Number 2. Carbon dioxide. Number 3. Nitrogen. Number 4. Hydrogen. Take a moment to think it through. Norman, what is your answer? Toggle button not pressed. No. Next heading at level 3. Clickable sec. Zoom workplace ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT is still generating a response. ChatGPT says, number 3, nitrogen, is correct. Great job, Norman. Nitrogen makes up about 78% of the air we breathe, while oxygen makes up around 21%. Fun fact, even though we need oxygen to live, nitrogen is essential too because it helps plants grow, which in turn produces the oxygen we need. Your score is now 11 out of 11. Perfect streak continues. Audience, are you keeping up, or is Norman still in the lead? Question number 12. Which element is needed to make hemoglobin in red blood cells? Number 1. Iron. Number 2. Calcium. Number 3. Potassium. Number 4. Sodium. Take a moment to think it through. Norman, what is your answer? Zoom workplace. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT is still generating a response. ChatGPT says, number 1, iron, is correct. Well done, Norman. Iron is a key component of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout the body. Fun fact, without enough iron, you can feel tired and weak because your blood cannot transport oxygen efficiently. Your score is now 12 out of 12. Perfect so far, Norman is unstoppable. Audience, how are you doing? Are you still matching Norman's streak? Question number 13. What is the boiling point of water at sea level in degrees Celsius? Number 1. 50 degrees. Number 2. 75 degrees. Number 3. 100 degrees. Number 4. 120 degrees. Take a few seconds to think it through. Norman, what is your answer? Zoom. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT is still generating a response. ChatGPT says, number 3, 100 degrees Celsius, is correct. Excellent, Norman. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius at sea level. Fun fact, the boiling point changes with altitude, so at higher mountains, water boils at a lower temperature because the air pressure is lower. Your score is now 13 out of 13. You are on a perfect roll. Audience, are you still keeping pace with Norman, or is he leaving you behind? Question number 14. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Number 1. Mercury. Number 2. Venus. Number 3. Earth. Number 4. Mars. Take a moment to think it through. Norman, what is your answer? ChatGPT is generating a response. Zoom workplace recording alert. You are screen share. Zoom work recording. Chat. ChatGPT said, heading level 6. Heading level 6 ChatGPT said, number 1, Mercury, is correct. Well done, Norman. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Fun fact, a day on Mercury, one full rotation, is longer than a year on Mercury, one full orbit around the Sun, because it rotates very slowly. Your score is now 14 out of 14. Almost 3/4 of the way through with a perfect streak. Audience, are you keeping up with Norman, or is he leaving you in the solar system dust? Question number 15. What part of the brain controls balance and coordination? Number 1. Cerebellum. Number 2. Cerebrum. Number 3. Brainstem. Number 4. Hippocampus. Take a few seconds to think it through. Norman, what is your answer? Toggle button not pressed. No. Next heading at clickable set. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT is still generating a response. ChatGPT says, number 1, cerebellum, is correct. Great job, Norman. The cerebellum is responsible for balance, coordination, and fine motor skills. Fun fact, even though it only makes up about 10% of the brain's weight, it contains over half of the brain's neurons. Your score is now 15 out of 15. Perfect streak continues. Impressive. Audience, are you keeping up with Norman, or is he setting the bar high? Question number 16. Which vitamin is mainly produced in the skin when exposed to sunlight? Number 1. Vitamin A. Number 2. Vitamin B12. Number 3. Vitamin C. Number 4. Vitamin D. Take a few seconds to think it through. Norman, what is your answer? Zoom work. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT is still generating a response. ChatGPT says, number 4, vitamin D, is correct. Well done, Norman. Vitamin D is produced in the skin when it is exposed to sunlight, and it helps the body absorb calcium for strong bones. Fun fact, even a few minutes of sun exposure each day can help maintain healthy vitamin D levels. Your score is now 16 out of 16. Perfect streak continues. Norman is unstoppable. Audience, are you still keeping pace, or is Norman blazing ahead? Question number 17. Which gas is essential for humans to breathe and survive? Number 1. Carbon dioxide. Number 2. Oxygen. Number 3. Nitrogen. Number 4. Hydrogen. Take a moment to think it through. Norman, what is your answer? Zoom. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT is still generating a response. ChatGPT says, number 2, oxygen, is correct. Excellent, Norman. Oxygen is essential for humans because our cells use it to produce energy through a process called cellular respiration. Fun fact, even though oxygen makes up only about 21% of the air, it is vital for all aerobic life on Earth. Your score is now 17 out of 17. Perfect streak continues. Amazing. Audience, are you still keeping up with Norman's flawless run? Question number 18. What is the chemical formula for table salt? Number 1. NaCl. Number 2. KCl. Number 3. H2O. Number 4. CO2. Take a few seconds to think it through. Norman, what is your answer? Zoom work. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT is still generating a response. ChatGPT says, number 1, NaCl, is correct. Well done, Norman. Table salt is made of sodium, Na, and chlorine, Cl, which combine to form sodium chloride. Fun fact, salt has been used for thousands of years not only for flavor but also for preserving food. Your score is now 18 out of 18. Perfect streak continues. Norman is on fire. Audience, are you still keeping pace with Norman, or is he leaving everyone behind? Question number 19. Which organ in the human body produces insulin? Number 1. Liver. Number 2. Pancreas. Number 3. Kidneys. Number 4. Stomach. Take a moment to think it through. Norman, what is your answer? Zoom work. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT is still generating a response. ChatGPT says, number 2, pancreas, is correct. Excellent, Norman. The pancreas produces insulin, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. Fun fact, without insulin, the body cannot properly use glucose for energy, which is why insulin is so important for people with diabetes. Your score is now 19 out of 19. Almost perfect, Norman. Audience, are you keeping up, or is Norman leaving you in the dust? Question number 20. Which planet is famous for its rings? Number 1. Saturn. Number 2. Uranus. Number 3. Neptune. Number 4. Jupiter. Take a few seconds to think it through. Norman, what is your answer? Zoom. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT is still generating a response. ChatGPT says, number 1, Saturn, is correct. Well done, Norman. Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings, which are made of ice, rock, and dust particles. Fun fact, the rings are incredibly thin compared to the size of the planet. Some are only about 30 feet thick. Your score is now 20 out of 20. Perfect streak continues. Norman is unstoppable. Audience, are you still keeping pace, or is Norman showing off planetary knowledge? Question number 21. Which part of the eye controls how much light enters? Number 1. Cornea. Number 2. Pupil. Number 3. Retina. Number 4. Lens. Take a moment to think it through. Norman, what is your answer? Zoom. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT is still generating a response. ChatGPT says, number 2, pupil, is correct. Excellent, Norman. The pupil controls how much light enters the eye by getting larger in dim light and smaller in bright light. Fun fact, the size of your pupil can also change based on emotions or excitement. Your score is now 21 out of 21. Perfect streak continues. Norman is unstoppable. Audience, are you still keeping up, or is Norman leaving you in the dark? Question number 22. Which planet is known for having a great red spot, a giant storm? Number 1. Venus. Number 2. Jupiter. Number 3. Saturn. Number 4. Neptune. Take a few seconds to think it through. Norman, what is your answer? Zoom. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT is still generating a response. ChatGPT says, number 2, Jupiter, is correct. Well done, Norman. The Great Red Spot is a massive storm on Jupiter that has been raging for at least 400 years. Fun fact, it is so large that 3 Earths could fit inside it. Your score is now 22 out of 22. Perfect streak continues. Amazing performance. Audience, are you keeping up with Norman's cosmic knowledge? Question number 23. What is the main ingredient in traditional bread? Number 1. Rice. Number 2. Wheat flour. Number 3. Cornmeal. Number 4. Barley. Take a few seconds to think it through. Norman, what is your answer? ChatGPT is Zoom workplace recording alert. You are muted. Recording. Screenshot. Zoom work recording. ChatGPT. ChatGPT says. ChatGPT said, heading level 6. Heading level 6. ChatGPT said, number 2, wheat flour, is correct. Excellent, Norman. Wheat flour is the main ingredient in traditional bread because it contains gluten, which helps the dough rise and gives bread its structure. Fun fact. Bread has been a staple food for thousands of years and is sometimes called the staff of life. Your score is now 23 out of 23. Only 2 questions left, and you are still perfect. Audience, are you keeping pace with Norman, or is he leaving everyone behind? Question number 24. Which planet is known as the morning star or evening star? Number 1. Venus. Number 2. Mercury. Number 3. Mars. Number 4. Jupiter. Take a few seconds to think it through. Norman, what is your answer? Clickable section. Zoom workplace record. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT is still generating a response. ChatGPT says, number 1, Venus, is correct. Well done, Norman. Venus is called the morning star or evening star because it is very bright and visible shortly before sunrise or after sunset. Fun fact, Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system, even hotter than Mercury, because of its thick, heat-trapping atmosphere. Your score is now 24 out of 24. Just one question to go, almost a perfect run. Audience, are you still keeping pace, or is Norman shining brighter than Venus? Question number 25. What is the chemical symbol for water? Number 1. H2O. Number 2. CO2. Number 3. O2. Number 4. Ho, take a moment to think it through. Norman, what is your answer? Zoom. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT is still generating a response. ChatGPT says, number 1, H2O, is correct. Fantastic, Norman. H2O is the chemical formula for water, consisting of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Fun fact, water covers about 71% of the Earth's surface and is essential for all known forms of life. Congratulations, Norman. You scored 25 out of 25, absolutely perfect. Audience, did you manage to match Norman's flawless run, or is he leaving everyone in the water? If you enjoyed this session, leave your score in the comments and do not forget to subscribe for more trivia challenges with Norman, the blind guy with a vision. Next time, we will tackle the mysteries of the human brain. Can you handle it? Screen sharing meeting. Zoom workplace window. ChatGPT. Task view window. ChatGPT. Zoom workplace column 2 of 4. ChatGPT. Zoom workplace window. Zoom workplace window. Back, Alt plus left. Zoom workplace window. History drop down. Search, new button. Show activity center pane. ChatGPT. Screen sharing audio settings.